Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to talk about Mary and the Sea Monster. As always, in the descriptive box below, there are links to various websites for more information, including a link to Amazon.com that has the book Tours for sale, along with all the books in the best-selling San Miguel de Allende's secrets, and Tours is just where the story happens to first appear. The Virgin Mary is typically depicted in art as contemplative, reflective, even sad. But for me, her best image is Maria de la Luz, or Mary of the Light. Here she is aggressive and assertive, and each July she is widely celebrated. Back in 1722 Sicily, a nun had a painter portray an image of Mary that in many ways was typical of colonial era art, showing Mary as the Queen of Heaven, with a crown and a baby Jesus in one hand, and giving away hearts on fire to show his eternal love. What makes the painting unique is what Mary has in her other hand. She is lifting a man and preventing him from falling into the jaws of Leviathan, a sea monster from the Old Testament who swallowed men's souls into the sea of chaos. Thus, with the fierceness of a lioness, Mary is saving one of her cubs from a potential catastrophe. Shortly after its creation, the painting was taken to nearby Lyon by the Jesuits. As you fly in and out of the airport, notice a large cathedral in the middle of town called Maria de la Luz because it houses the original painting. Copies of the painting spread veneration of Mary throughout Mexico as the image became widely popular. When at the altar of the paroquia, look up to your left and you'll see murals depicting these events. Every church in town has at least one Maria de la Luz. So too, most of us have at least one neighbor with the name Maria de la Luz, often shortened to Malou. When this image of Mary grew in popularity, the Pope decided that it wasn't proper to have her next to a pagan sea monster. So he told folks to either black out the sea monster, so Mary was lifting the man up from the darkness of purgatory, or place the man in the fires of hell. Indigenous artists, to poke fun at the Spanish, have always included clergy in their depictions of hell. The stars on long poles that you see in various processions are in honor of Maria de la Luz. The tradition came from the town of Salvaterra back in the 1920s when recently laid off factory workers found jobs at what are today the high-end art galleries. Maria de la Luz was an important image to those former factory workers, and she is also the patroness of electricians. As always, feel free to click subscribe now, and you'll get automatic notifications of new videos as they're released here on the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets.